We are going to go on the road to Unique Photo.
So like the needle is
photography store in New Jersey. Yep.
On the road again.
The aperture, but there's one thing
Somewhere on the road again.
This stuff will feel pretty.
Lastly,
So you can stop the lens down.
there's Joseph
So like I say, I put it
and
at
Chris Mena.
4.
They're nerding out.
It's gonna meet her at 2.
Cameras
That's the
right
widest
now.
the lens is.
We're about to pick up our fifth member.
If you really want to get the right
So stay
one,
tuned. Here's the fifth member, John.
Oh, hey.
No, you don't have to take a picture of me.
Well, there might be on some cameras on Australia.
Actually, I'm gonna go in here with coffee.
This is American.
Coffee.
Coffee.
You know, I think it's great.
While we're at it.
Coffee. No, don't take a photo of me.
Since we're all even.
We didn't find anything.
Remember, I got that.
We were all scoping, but we found a sixth member. I was like, we didn't find anything, but we found a sixth member.
We found a 6th member. And now we're on Film Hexagon, actually.
Film Hexagon. We made it. We are at Unique Photo. What sign? Slow pedestrian crossing. I don't match with that
You do
sign.
black and yellow, black and yellow.
Not really.
Saturday, I guess. It's about to snow.
A little deep green on this, an extra green layer, because the red's all the way back. They got 400 Fuji colors.
It's so funny.
So that's
Them looking for film. When Joseph didn't see the film he was looking at.
And
I was
I'm like learning right now by Chris Mena. Chris fucking Mena, ladies and gentlemen.
I know, they're finally in a photography store together. That's there.
But this one is very cheap.
Chris is just going crazy now, seeing film.
Yeah.
Not yet until he sees boom, just one roll.
Yeah.
Cameras all around you. Guy with the new camera, new medium format.
Cute. Overexposed.
So it's currently snowing right
Let's say
now.
you're using
So we
400,
decided
and then
instead of shooting outside, going to Dave and Buster's
shooting it at
and
120,
photographing inside
the
there.
second you shoot it at 160. You're putting it in the developer.
Got my
And in fact, the other day, I got
my heart. My heart.
in the train, just like.
My heart.
Don't do that, guys.
Don't. Did I get any shot? Yeah.
Your f-stop. Try to do this, and you'll see the actual. Priority. Aperture preview. Yeah, double field preview.
We're at Dave and Buster's and they just opened yesterday. Their food service, it just takes forever. And I understand they just opened, but it's just taking forever. We've been here for like an hour. All the food is like now coming all at once. And we still have two friends who didn't get fed yet, or they didn't get their meal yet. So yeah. Snowing, guys. First snow day coming back.
No, give me a McDonald's.
So now we got Wendy's. Because supposedly
The best Dave & Buster's I've ever had.
Oh my god, I've never seen Dave & Buster's so lit before, guys. This is gonna taste so good.
Oh my god.
Damn. You know what? You should really try out the Willowbrook Dave & Buster's.